Have you ever lost everything? In just one moment? Have you ever watched something you've built with your own hands disappear in seconds? Deep inside a calm and green forest, there lived a smart fox named Ember. Under a huge oak tree, Ember had built a cozy home. It wasn't made in a single day. It took many seasons of effort, patience, and care. He stored food, fixed every weak spot, and protected his home from danger. Every night before sleeping, he would look around with pride. This is my hard work. This is my world. But one night, everything changed. The sky suddenly turned dark. Cold winds began to howl through the forest. Thunder echoed loudly, and heavy rain started pouring down. At first, it felt normal. But then, it didn't stop. The nearby river began to rise, slowly at first, then faster, and out of control. Water burst into the forest, crashing into trees and sweeping everything in its path. Ember ran quickly toward his home. He tried to grab anything, but the water was too fast, too strong. Within moments, everything was gone. When the sun finally rose, the storm had passed. Ember slowly returned to where his home once stood. But there was nothing left. No shelter, no food, no safety. Only silence and emptiness. Days passed. Ember wandered through the forest without direction. Why me? Why did I lose everything? His heart felt heavy. He felt broken, lost, completely empty. One quiet afternoon, he sat beside the river, staring at the flowing water. An old turtle nearby noticed him. The turtle slowly approached him and said in a calm voice, "Storms are not sent to end you. They come to reveal what you are made of." Ember looked down sadly. "But I have nothing left." The turtle smiled gently. "No, you lost things. But you did not lose yourself. Your mind is still with you. Your experience is still with you. Your courage is still alive." That night, Ember lay awake. He kept thinking. The flood had taken his home, not his ability to build again. It had taken his food, but not his skills to survive. It had taken his comfort, but not his inner strength. The next morning, Ember made a decision. He would start again. He searched for a safer place and found higher ground. He began collecting sticks again, digging the earth again, building. Step by step. It wasn't easy. Some days he felt weak. Some days he wanted to give up, but he kept moving forward, little by little. Weeks passed. A new home slowly took shape. It wasn't as big as before, but it was stronger, safer, wiser. Standing in front of his new home, Ember finally understood. Sometimes losing everything is the beginning of something stronger. The storm didn't destroy his life. It changed it. It made him stronger than before. When life takes away what you built, don't think it's the end, because you still have the most important thing, yourself. And with that, you can always begin again.